Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss quartiles of ungrouped data. And this is the statistics part of senior high school business mathematics. Quartiles divide the data into 4 equal parts. This is the problem where we will solve quartiles. The sales group submitted their sales report on the last quarter of 2021. Juday has 28 sales quantity, Chris has 50, Crisel has 45, up to JM with 35 sales quantity. In this video, we will solve quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. Its formula is Q sub K equals K over 4 quantity N plus 1, where Q is the quartile, K is the desired N quartile, and N is the number of entries or data. Again, before we solve for the quartile of the data, we must rearrange the entries from lowest to highest, where 18 is the first term, 25 is the second term, 28 is the third term, and 60 is the last or 14th term, meaning N for this data equals 14. Let us now start solving. Number 1, find Q sub 1 or the first quartile. Our formula, Q sub K equals K over 4, quantity N plus 1. In the problem, we know that K is equal to 1 and N is equal to 14. So, our general equation will be Q sub 1 equals 1 over 4 quantity 14 plus 1. Simplify first inside the parentheses. 14 plus 1 equals 15. Simplify also 1/4 by division. 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. 0.25 times 15 equals 3.75. It means that the first quartile is located at 3.75th term, or between the third term 28 and the fourth term 30. In this situation, we need the process of interpolation to get the middle value. And the formula is Q sub 1 equals third term plus 0.75 times the quantity of the fourth term minus the third term. Substituting the values, the third term is 28 and the fourth term is 30. So we have the interpolation equation. Q sub 1 equals 28 plus 0.75 times the quantity of 30 minus 28. Solve first inside the parentheses. 30 minus 28 equals 2. 2 multiplied to 0.75 equals 1.5. Add 28 and 1.5 equals 29.5. Therefore, the exact value of the first quartile of this problem is 29.5. Next, let us also solve the Q sub 2 or the second quartile of the same problem. The value of K on this problem is 2 and N equals 14. So we have the second quartile equation. Q sub 2 equals 2 over 4 quantity 14 plus 1. First, simplify 2 over 4 by division. Its quotient is 0.5. Add inside the parentheses. 14 plus 1 equals 15. Multiply 0.5 and 15. Its product is 7.5. It means that the quartile 2 is located on the 7.5 term, or it is between the 7th term 38 and the 8th term 40. Again, in this situation, we need the process of interpolation, getting the exact value between 38 and 40. Its formula is Q sub 2 equals 7th term plus 0.5 times the quantity of 8th term minus 7th term. By substitution of the values, the 7th term is 38 and the 8th term is 40. So we have the interpolation equation. Q sub 2 equals 38 plus 0.5 times the quantity of 40 minus 38. Solve first inside the parentheses. 40 minus 38 equals 2. 2 times 0.5 equals 1. 38 plus 1 equals 39. Therefore, the exact value of the second quartile or quartile 2 is 39. Number 3, find Q sub 3 or quartile 3 of the same formula. On the problem, K is equal to 3 and N is equal to 14. Again, our general equation will be Q sub 3 equals 3 over 4, quantity 14 plus 1. Again, simplify 3/4 by division. Its quotient is 0.75. Simplify also on the parentheses, 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 times 0.75 equals 11.25. It means that the third quartile is located on 11.25th term, which is between the 11th term 50 and the 12th term 50. And this is a special case. Since the 11th and 12th terms are both 50, we can now conclude that the quartile 3 is 50. Sa muli, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At i-share mo na rin ang video na ito sa iba para makatulong din tayo sa kanila.